What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Morning Crypto. Um, Today we're gonna be talking about Mana, aka Decentraland. And you guys haven't seen my first video. I did my technical analysis. Um, you know, I'm all about the my price predictions and see where the market's gonna go. And as you can see right now, this is my price prediction right here. I was expecting to hit the 1.9 1.8 area, but obviously, as you can see, it just went parabolic. It just went completely insane. I mean, it got to the point where it was at the $5 mark. That was crazy week for Decentraland. And I was doing this technical analysis a couple of days ago, and man, I just had to make a part two, and I just gotta let everyone know what my next price predictions are, cause I was being like was it conservative on my price predictions, and obviously it just shot up like crazy, right? We didn't expect it, we all didn't expect it, but all thanks to Facebook when they made the announcement about switching their name to Metaverse, it just kind of just took off, and a whole bunch of people started buying. I saw an article that some anonymous person dropped like 200 million, and this is the reason why um, Mana started going up. And as for today, I'm gonna update my next price prediction, and I'm thinking since it's November tomorrow, November 1st. I heard great things about November. Usually November is like the month where like a lot of cryptocurrency starts taking off. So I'm thinking that it probably could hit $10 by November, like end of November. I'm hoping, but the way it's looking right now, it literally hit $5 like just yesterday, and I don't see why not that it could hit $10 by end of November. So, but yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and update the our chart here. So let me see here. So first things first, I want to look at my where the bumps are, right? So from right to left, as you can see, this is like the bump, right? And what I mean by bump is like there's a buy, right? And then the bump is like um, the price kind of went down and now it goes back up, and it's just chilling on this like this area right here. So that's the bump. I call it a bump. I don't know what you guys call it, but that's a bump right there. And then I don't know why it made why is a horizontal line here. So I'm just gonna remove that. So it went up, right, and then it hit at this line where the bump is, right? So this is a really strong indication that this is the new support, right? Because right here, this was the resistance, and then shot up. Now it's retesting, right? Now it went up, and obviously, even though it didn't touch, it's more like another retest. So it's retesting the second time, and I think after this, I'm thinking it's gonna take off. But I think tomorrow, like honestly, like November 1st, I think this sucker's gonna take off. So obviously, it was a really good time to buy, like right here when it was actually like sometime around this morning when the market's kind of going a bit down, slowing down a bit. And I told all my friends and family, like, yo, this is the best time to buy Mana right now since it's getting lower. Because when November 1st hits, this thing's gonna take off. I kid you not. So, let's go ahead and draw our our Fibonacci retracement here. So here to here, right? So from the higher low to a higher high. So as you can see, is at the 0.786, right? Usually you want to be at the 0.5, 0.618. This is kind of like the last resort. So right now it's hovering around the 0.786. So as long as it stays above it, we're solid. I mean, if it does touch this support line, it's fine as long as it does not break it. And I don't think it will, right? Because it did try to break it, it didn't. So I think as long as it stays above this support line, we should be really, really good. And we see a huge continuation from here. So let's go ahead and draw our next price prediction. So we're just gonna use the trend-based Fibonacci retracement. Trend-based Fibonacci extension. So what I like to do is from the higher low. So I'll get start right here, and then I'm gonna and put it all the way at the top here, because usually you want to do it at the wick, right? And then I like to do it all the way. Let's say it would do it like right here, the 0.5 area, right? Okay, what we're looking at. Okay, so it shows at the 7, right? At the 7. This is being conservative, 750, but I'm honestly thinking 10 is the $10 the spot. Let's draw. Let me go here. Where is it? The 10. 10. Boom. Okay, that's our price. That's our like price prediction. It's gonna hit $10 by end of this month. Okay, this is me being conservative. You know, like I said over here, I was being conservative, and look what happened. It just went parabolic, hit all the way down up to the $5 in the span of 2 days. Okay, so it honestly can happen, and I think that by end of November, I keep on saying this multiple times, but I think by end of November, it should hit $10. Hopefully, if something changes, I'll do another update. You know, so yeah, feel free to leave the comments down below if you guys have any questions. If there's any other price predictions that you want me to do, I'll be happy to do it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your guys' price predictions are, and I hope my technical analysis shows you the foundation of where the price is going to be. So without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one.